in the middle of the Aravali area, like where you get fresh air.
A lot of colleges like JD Goenka, offices are coming on here to reach here. But effectively, if you can see the construction which is happening, that would effectively change the time to a 10-minute journey, right?
Flyover constructions and DMIC, Delhi Mumbai Industrial Corridor, which is really boosting kind of thing for the economic. And also the IMT Sohna, which is really the important area where we can see the future development in terms of more investment will come from through FDI.
Near the city, there is good connectivity. At the same time, since it's slightly far from the core chaos of the city, it offers fresh air, which is really important for me and my family. Companies are actually moving towards Sohna. Some are moving towards the extension road.
Connected to the Golf Course Extension Road, National Highway 8 and the Sohna Road.
यहाँ पर कई तरह के डेवलपमेंट हो रहे हैं, इंडस्ट्रियल हब बन रहे हैं, रोड्स वगैरह की कनेक्टिविटी बहुत अच्छी है, काफ़ी सुविधाएं, एमिनिटीज़ हैं, होटल्स हैं, रेस्टोरेंट्स हैं। यदि हम बिहार जाते हैं, झारखंड जाते हैं, यूपी जाते हैं, आगरा जाना चाहें, अगर रिलीजियस प्लेस मथुरा और वृंदावन जाएं तो 1.5 घंटे में हम यहाँ से पहुँच जाते हैं।
There is a very less pollution as compared to Gurgaon and Delhi. Well connected with Gurgaon, Delhi, and also with the KMP.